Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we're going to show you how to share your internet connection from your Android device with other people. Whether you're helping a friend get online or you're using your phone as a hotspot for another device, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. Look for the hotspot or mobile hotspot option. If you don't see it, tap the gear icon to open the main settings menu. In the settings menu, find and select connections or network and internet depending on your phone model. Tap hotspot and tethering or a similar option. Now, enable mobile hotspot by turning on the switch. Make sure to turn off Wi-Fi before enabling the hotspot. If this is your first time, tap on Mobile Hotspot. Here, you can customize the network name and password to make it easier and safer for others to connect. Once you're done, save the settings. Now your hotspot is active. Any device, such as another phone, laptop, or tablet, can connect to the internet by selecting your hotspot name and entering the password. At this point, to check who is connected, go to the top of the screen and you'll see a list of devices currently connected to your hotspot. When you are done sharing your internet, simply turn off the mobile hotspot to save data and battery. And that's it. Now you know how to share internet with others.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.